Okay, right back at it. Changing fuel filters in 19-degree weather. It's cold out here. Alright, so we got the first fuel filter on. Pretty much. Change that one out. Make sure you keep the cardboard around. This one we got to take off. I'm going to replace that one with an Donaldson. Alright, so you probably wondering why I'm not using 2 cat filters. Hey, wise guy always told me don't never put 2 cat filters on the truck because the cat filters, they fill up, the fuel filter fill up too fast. So we're going to take that one off today. We're going to run this one. The part number is P551311. So the part number on this one, I always use a small one like this. Think of the part number right there, the 175-2949. So that's for that cat filter. All right, for this cat motor. Back over here to this. 5 gallons here. Always got to keep 5 gallons in the truck. All right, the truck is dirty right now, but it'll get shined up later. All right, so same fuel filter here, the 2949. That is bad, so we already took that one off. I got the tank open. All right, get back over to this way. We got to take this one off right here off. Put this one on. All right, so let me get right back at y'all. Pause this video so I can get this off. I already got it loose, but I want to put it, I'm trying to let the air come out. So, trying to let the air out a little bit before it starts spraying. But before it starts spraying, put some on the bottom here. Come over here and get yourself a rag. And I keep everything in the truck, but get a rag. Take it back over here. All right, so if you follow me on YouTube, all right, go to DIY Trucker J on YouTube or go to J Quillo Talk Live. This video right here will be on J Quillo Talk Live. All right, so if you want to see more content like this, either page you can find me on there. So what you want to do, this is the primer pump here. I'm going to take this off here, get this off so I can prime it. But make sure you got a rag here so you don't have diesel all over the place. That's why I put the cardboard down there. All right, so you're going to put this here, put some gloves on, already got it loose. This real slow. You ain't got to go fast. You might hear it. As long as that air come out, she's going to drip down. That's why I got the cardboard there. You see? All right, so she's going to definitely drip down. Just go real slow. You don't have to go fast. But once you hear it spit, and the air going to come out of it. Might not be none in there, but it's going to be some. All right, see, we got a little gap in there. So make sure you got the rag there. And just take your time. You ain't got to go too fast. That's enough. Don't let it fall, though. I think that's it. All right. See where we at with it? Yeah, you can see it right there. It's already leaking. The air filter came out already, but there you go. So you're gonna take that off. Let me go get some gloves. Get right back at you. All right, right back at you. Gonna try to finish up real quick. Turn it slow. So nothing shouldn't come out right now. Coming out now, you see, spilling. Just trying to get the air out of it. All right, so that's why I got the paper towel there. This is why I don't get, well, not paper, the cardboard. This is why I don't get nothing on the floor. All right, and plus, I usually keep cat litter. The cat litter works perfect. Cat litter will absorb a lot of this oil, diesel, anything on the ground. So I don't have no cat litter today. I don't have my other car, but we're gonna use this. Try to play with this a little bit so I can get this to spin this way. See, you heard it bust? There you go. Be good now. Trying to keep it from turning, but I get the deal. Yeah, just let it spill out on the cardboard. Just Usually, if you don't really put the cardboard, it's going to happen too. That's why I got the rag here also. It'll spit back on you and spray your chest and spray your arm and your hand. So I'm trying to avoid that, but that's why I got the cardboard down there. All right, trying to keep it focused. All right, so let me get at it. All right, we got off. Got to get ready for another one. Whew. There you go, right here. This is the old one. The gasket, come with the gasket. All right, so that's the part number right there. 1R-0749, that's the part number. All right, so like I said, it's the old one right here. Part number, this is the water separator, 175-2949. That's the oil fuel, that's the fuel filter. Diesel fuel filter, all right? Diesel water separator, diesel fuel filter. All right, so you pretty much now gonna take this. We're gonna put this in here, put the diesel in, but I gotta let my hands get warm. All right, so we're gonna leave that there for now. Get my hands warm and get back at it. We should be done to get this truck started so I can at least do a run a day. I get right back at y'all. Whew. Yeah, right now I'm in the car right now trying to get my hands warm because it's 19 degrees out here. It is freezing. Last time I checked was 19 degrees, but it's freezing out here. All right, so I gotta finish up. So, hey, too old for this, but hey, you're never too old to save some money though. You're never too old to save some money, so I gotta finish up. All right, so this is how we looking right now. Yeah, this is how we pretty much looking right now. It's cold over there, but all right, so let's get back out here and finish up. All right. All right, so what we're gonna do now is get this in here and put everything back on. All right, so let's get it. All right, so we got that in there. As y'all can see, we'll go ahead and take this over here and get all this up. All right, so let's get it. All right, so we got it on. So all I gotta do now is hand tighten it. Probably hit with a little wrench a little bit, but we on now. All right. So you wanna try to, like I said, you can hand tighten it. You ain't really gotta use a wrench. That's about it. But I'll put a wrench on there. Damn. Flip it this way so you can spin it back. Try to get it down on the bottom if you can. Sometimes it get a little difficult sometimes, but that was easy enough. I think the other filter was a little thicker than this, yeah. So you just want to get a quick little turn on it. That's it, that's all you need. All right, so you're gonna get the back off. I'm changing it because it was about time to change, plus the truck barred up. Like I said, I got up this morning, I started the truck, it started shaking, turned it off, turned it back on. Turn it off, turn it back on. That was it. She died on me. So that's it. That's how you install the fuel filter. This is your fuel filter, right? Part number P551311. All right. This right here is your fuel separator filter, water separator filter right here. Part number 175-2949. That's pretty much about it. So we pretty much done with this video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, if you don't follow me on YouTube at J Quillo Talk Live. Other page, DIY Trucker J, if you want to see more content like this. All right, so that's pretty much about it. Clean everything up. Now just got to spray the ether, prime it here a couple of times, prime it, a little bit of ether, get the bubbles out, and get the truck started. I'll get at y'all later. All right, I'll get at y'all later. It's getting cold out here. I'll get myself back in the car and get warm, but I'll talk to y'all. Peace. Man, you gotta run it.